This video was developed by XPM Consulting. XPM is a project management, agile, ITIL and leadership training company.
Once the activities have been identified, the next step is to define their sequence by observing their characteristics and organizing them in the order that they must be performed. For example, it is not possible to install software until the hardware is available. Activity sequencing prepares a project schedule network diagram, or simply referred to as network diagram, which graphically represents the activities, milestones, and dependencies. In a network diagram, the activities and milestones should converge from the project start to its end. Therefore, with the exception of the first and the last activity, each activity and milestone should have at least a predecessor and a successor activity. Historical information regarding activities, milestones, and dependencies may be standardized in network diagrams templates, supporting the reuse of accumulated knowledge.
This video was developed by XPM Consulting. XPM is a project management, agile, ITIL and leadership training company. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video interesting, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.